Hello everybody! This video may seem random, especially in comparison to my usual content, but it's not too different as it's technically Therian related. I'm making this video because one of my stereotypes is the Western gull, and I don't see many seagull Therians. Also, there's not too much information on seagulls that's not little idiotic thieves. I'm here to spread positive information about these surprisingly intelligent creatures. This video is mainly about the Western gull as it's one of my stereotypes. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Western gulls are one of the most common gulls on the west side of North America, hence the name. Despite being common, they are on a conservation list due to their vulnerability to oil spills and water pollution. Most seagulls are afraid of eye contact. Seagulls can be easily translated for whatever reason. Here is a list of things I usually hear from the silver gull. The most common native Australian seagull. Oi, back off. Food, food. I'm hungry. I want food. Whoa, a human is staring me down. Someone help, please. There's a predator staring at me. Don't worry. I mean no harm. I care about you. I come in peace. Do you want to be friends? These phrases are translated from different squawks, chirps, coos, and calls. Me and one of my friends are quite experienced in silver gull speak. Western gulls are known to be able to crossbreed. The diet of most seagulls consists of crabs, small fish, and literally anything else they can fit in their beak. This is all the seagull facts I have for now. See you soon.